Bluetooth pairing.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another Teardown. Today we have here the Groove-On large rugged Bluetooth speaker that you can get at Walmart for around $50.
Power off.
This light-up Bluetooth speaker is IP67, has an output of 20 watts and a total playtime of up to 10 hours. It has a 3.5 audio jack, USB charging port, and has a party sync mode to connect multiple on speakers together. Out of the box, we have here a few documentation to go with the speaker, and a micro USB charging cable. And here we have the On large rugged Bluetooth speaker. It has a nice fabric cover along with the strap to make it easy to carry. First, into the teardown, we will start off by removing this rubber grip pad on the bottom of the speaker. Once removed, you will see these 6 screws that we will also need to remove. After getting the bottom cover removed, we will see the circuit board for the LED lights. This is held down by 2 screws that we will also need to take off. This circuit board contains 10 multicolor LED lights that allow the speaker to produce those nice glow and light effects while being used. Next, into the teardown, we will remove this white plastic cover by removing 4 screws. Aside from being part of the speaker structure, I think another purpose of this piece is to help reflect the light and improve the overall brightness of the LEDs. Now we will pry off the fabric cover from the speaker by releasing a few tabs on each side. This cover will just slide right off afterwards. There's nothing special about this fabric cover. It's just another standard fabric cover that you see on mini speaker out there. It's for the look and also help protect the speaker from damages and the outdoor elements. With a quick glance of the speaker, we can see that it has 2 massive passive radiators along with 2 drivers on each side. This helps the speaker produce sound in both directions, giving you somewhat of a 360 surround sounds. Now let's remove the strap and also take off the center piece by removing these 6 screws. After removing this piece, it will expose all the ports as well as some additional screws that we will eventually need to remove. Next thing we're going to do is remove the top portion by removing 6 screws. This top cover contains the circuit board for the main control, which we will remove by taking off these 4 screws. In my opinion, having all your buttons on top make accessing this function of the speaker fairly easy. And here we have the circuit board with all your buttons that you will need to properly turn on the speaker and to control the volume, lights, and Bluetooth connections. Next, we will remove the dual driver by removing 4 screws on each drivers. These drivers are rated at 10 watts each, giving the speaker a total of 20 watts RMS power and a total peak power of 40 watts. These drivers are decent and provide the speaker with a reasonable amount of sound. Now, to remove the rest of the speaker internal, we will need to remove these protective sticker to expose the 5 screws that we will also need to remove. After removing the screws, we will detach the microphone cable so we don't rip it off. After that, we can slide out the motherboard. And here we have the motherboard. Attached to it is the battery pack. We will start off by detaching the power cable and then sliding out the battery pack. This is the 7.4 volt battery pack with a capacity of 2200 mAh and provides the speaker with a playtime of up to 10 hours. And here we have the motherboard, which still have the battery holder attached to it. We can remove it by taking off these 5 screws. And here's the motherboard. It has your micro USB charging port, USB charge port, and aux port. It also features ON's party sync feature where you can pair it with another select ON speaker for a more immersive sound. And here we have the remaining enclosure of the ON large rugged Bluetooth speaker. Nothing special, and obviously you can see the microphone still attached to it. Well, this is it for the complete teardown of the Groove ON large rugged Bluetooth speaker. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.